Hi, I am Cager on Two Wheels, and today I say thank you. One week ago, was it a week ago? I think so. I asked you guys if you could throw me a bone, or not, if you'd like. You guys did not throw me a bone, you threw the whole goddamn cow at me. I am floored, I am crushed. I was seriously expecting 30 bucks and I would be pretty happy with 30 bucks. And you guys sent me an astonishing over 600 freaking dollars. I cannot believe it. In a week. It's crazy. It's insane, and I really don't know how to say thanks properly. I seriously don't. The only way to say properly thanks is to never stop. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing the videos. Keep on doing the stuff. It's the only way to really say thanks, because it was just amazing. It was absolutely incredible. And that extra money is going to pay for the helmet. And this way I'm going to be able to replace the boots and the inner pads, and probably finally get the back pad, which that jacket in which I crashed did not have. My laptop backpack served as that. So I really don't know what to say. I was seriously not expecting this. Even my kids, my son, whose kind idea was also, he was like, yeah, but that's not really going to do anything. Go for the Patreon. Actually, I'm going to tell you another way. It's funnier this way. I put the video on. I actually I ended the editing on the video in the morning, and I set it to be published at 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. or something. And okay, fire and forget, don't worry about it. And so at say 11 or so, my son goes into the computer room, and I was actually playing Elite Dangerous in VR, so I can't see anything. I'm playing in VR because I have a PSVR loaned from a coworker, so I'm trying it out. And my son comes over and says, you do realize you're halfway through to your objective? And I'm like, I'm inside the ship in space. And I'm like, what objective? I look to the left panel to see the missions. No, I'm way far from that. And he's like, no, not that. Your GoFundMe objective. Stop. Gears turning in my brain going, what was the objective? I did the GoFundMe a long time ago, and I didn't remember what was the goal I had put, because I just put some number, some moderately realistic number, which is what the helmet would cost, and forgot about it, because I was expecting 20 or 30 bucks. So instead of putting 20 or 30, I put a more realistic value and forgot about it. So it's like, what did I put on? Pause the game. What did I put on as an objective? Helmet, VR helmet off. Open the browser, look at that, and while I'm looking, it says, dude, you've done $250. I was like, what? You are kidding. Look, you are kidding. Look, and I opened GoFundMe, and I was like, okay, something's wrong here. Something's dead wrong. Two completely crazy guys actually gave $100. What? I'm just an idiot on a bike. $100? It's amazing, seriously. I could not for the life of me have predicted this outcome. I'm just, wow. And it's very welcome, because I was very bummed at the time. I'm not going to say depressed, because depression is a bit harsher, but yeah, I was, let's say, depressed between quotation marks, because the weather was like this, glorious and warm, every single dealership had bikes for me, and I couldn't test any bike. I couldn't do any videos because of the face thing. Doing other videos was just out of the question. I was doing what I could, but I really missed riding. I missed doing the videos, but then I was like, why keep doing this? Seriously, it's so much trouble for so little gain. If I stop, no one's actually going to miss much, so why not? I was super bummed. I was seriously considering fuck it all and just quit, or I don't know. I was in a bad place psychologically, and I almost dropped the bike right now because the floor wasn't where I was expecting. And you guys just blew my mind away. I now have a moral obligation to never quit. It just cannot be done, not after this. I'll do it until I can't do it anymore. What the hell are these two idiots doing? It's a solid white line. Okay, yeah, I did that too, but I don't stop people behind me when I do that. Oh shoot, I know what's going on. Road's closed up ahead because of race or something for sure. Great choice of riding. Yeah, great route, brilliant. Hang on. Thank you, big Porsche. I don't know what to say. I'm just I'm really happy. All the depression, all the funk is lifted like a mist. And I am really going to push for more and more stuff. I'll be able to pay the helmet I bought on credit immediately. I'm going to pay the first installment because it's just about to drop, and then I'm just going to pay it off completely. And that's 30 bucks less per month that I have on my already pretty hefty bills coming in. It's oh man, you guys have no idea how that was a weight off my chest. Seriously, it is. It's awesome, and I really thank you from the bottom of my heart. Really, seriously, I do thank you a lot. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, seriously, thanks guys. Okay, you're out.